Look at this faceless YouTube channel. This channel gained 2 million views in just 4 days and reached 3 million views in 5 days. It's clear that this type of niche is going viral, and very few creators are making similar videos on YouTube. Channels like this can earn around $733,000 in a single month without showing their face. In this video, I'll reveal the secrets and provide the blueprint behind this viral YouTube channel that's making 6 figures a month. Plus, I'll share the best faceless TikTok and YouTube automation ideas to help you skyrocket your earnings, even if you're just starting out in this niche. Don't miss this untapped, game-changing niche. Let's dive in so you can get a better idea of the type of videos I'm referring to, the key to their success. Every video tells a unique and compelling story. For example, adventurers stranded in the middle of the ocean. It's incredible how much this niche earns, ranging from $25,000 to $71,000 per month per video. With all these views, it's evident they're generating substantial revenue. What can we learn from their strategy? I've reverse engineered their approach and analyzed how their videos appear so authentic. Here's what I've found, and I'll show you how they created these viral videos based on my research. Don't worry, I'll provide all the necessary prompts in the comments section so you can try them yourself. If you want to learn more, check out our blueprint for this viral niche, which includes strategies to create viral content, tools and resources, techniques to grow your audience and maximize earnings. If you find this content helpful, I'd appreciate it if you could like and subscribe to help the algorithm reach more people. Now we will use AI to create 9 scenes or more images, depending on the length of the video you want to replicate. Then use AI tools to animate these scenes. Add sound effects, such as animal sounds, a bear's growl, and human voices. And that's how simple it is to create a video. Sounds easy, right? Let's jump into the process step by step. Step 1. Screenshot the scenes. First, find a video you want to replicate. Make sure to choose a video that has already gone viral on YouTube, like this example with millions of views and 169,000 likes within just 1 month. Replicating these kinds of videos increases the chances of going viral, especially on YouTube Shorts. Now, let's begin screenshotting each scene. Here's what to do. For the first clip, immediately take a screenshot of the first scene. When the video transitions to a new scene, quickly pause it, take another screenshot, and save it. Repeat this process for the entire video until you have screenshots of all the scenes. That's all there is to it for this step. Step 2. Generating a prompt using ChatGPT. Unfortunately, this isn't applicable for free users or those without a budget. However, I found an alternative website where you can access ChatGPT-4 to help replicate the images we screenshot earlier and generate the exact prompts using ChatGPT-4. Before revealing the website, I have created a full tutorial blueprint specifically for this animal rescue niche. Since only a few creators are working on this niche, having an exact blueprint on how to execute it properly will give you an advantage. The blueprint guide includes materials you can use to make your videos go viral, a secret strategy for success, the best prompts to use, guidance on sound effects, and tips on how to set up your account with effective branding. If you want to get the full blueprint, check the description or pinned comment below this video. Now, back to the tutorial. The name of the website is poe.com, where you can access popular AI tools commonly used by content creators on YouTube. Open poe.com, select GPT-4, upload your screenshots, and use the prompt I'll provide. You can find this prompt in the description below. After uploading, click enter to let ChatGPT-4 generate the image prompt. I'll fast forward this process so you don't get bored. Step 3. Create images using Piclumen AI. Search for Piclumen AI on Google. Once you're on the interface, you can choose the Flux model, but I recommend using the default model, Piclumen ART, as it provides more realistic images. Amazing, right? The results look so professional that they don't seem to be from free AI tools. But the truth is, Piclumen AI is free, and its outputs are incredibly realistic, which can greatly increase the chances of your videos going viral on YouTube. Speaking of YouTube, I found a website that offers pre-monetized YouTube accounts, grown organically to meet all platform requirements. These accounts are specifically targeted at a Western audience, which means their RPM, revenue per meal, is significantly higher compared to accounts targeting other regions. With one of these accounts, you can start earning from your very first post. This is incredibly convenient, as you won't miss out on any revenue from the views your initial videos generate. If you want to save time and skip the hassle of organically growing your channel to meet YouTube's requirements, click the link in the description. Now, let's copy the prompt provided by ChatGPT-4 and paste it into Piclumen AI. Continue the process until all the images are completed. As you can see, Piclumen AI delivers consistently high-quality results. Make sure to select the 9.6 aspect ratio so the images fit perfectly for YouTube Shorts. Step 4. Turn images into video using Runway. The free plan on Runway is limited, so it's better to invest in a paid plan if you can. However, if you don't have the budget, I recommend using free tools like Kling AI or Haluo to animate images when starting out in this niche. The downside of using these free tools is that they can be time-consuming, as their free plans often require more effort and patience. Since this video is just a tutorial, I'll use Runway for faster video generation to show you how much more convenient it is to invest in a paid plan. Now, let's proceed with generating the animation. Upload the images you downloaded from Piclumen AI. Add this prompt: realistic documentary, fast motion, and click generate. Within a few minutes, the animation will be ready. After processing one image, upload the remaining images right away to speed up the animation process, just like I'm doing here. As you can see, the movement in the environment and the entire scene looks very natural. Step 5. Download sound effects and edit the video in CapCut. Before editing in CapCut, download sound effects such as bear calls, winter ambience, ocean waves, and a girl's laugh. Open CapCut and import the video and audio files, then drag all your clips into the timeline. I've already prepared a color adjustment preset for color grading at the top. Select all the scenes and change the scale to 1.3, adjust the speed to 1.3, and organize the sequence of the clips to create a smooth flow for the story in the shorts. If you're confused, replay this part of the video multiple times to follow along, pausing as needed to replicate the exact adjustments I made to match the color grading for a winter vibe. Next, add sound effects that match each scene, making the video more relaxing to watch and hear. For scenes with a bear, use bear sounds. For scenes of an endangered animal, include sad or emotional music, which you can download from Pixabay. And for scenes involving the woman, add a girl's laugh sound effect. Once the editing is complete, export the video at 2K resolution and 60 FPS. Before I reveal the final result, I'd like to mention the full tutorial blueprint I've created for the animal rescue niche. This blueprint contains everything you need to execute this niche properly, including materials to help your videos go viral, a secret strategy for success, the best prompts to use, guidance on sound effects, and tips for setting up your account with effective branding. If you want to access the full blueprint, check the description or the pinned comment below this video. And now, here's the final result of the video.